Welcome to my video. Hi guys, are you looking for the best car polisher? If you received a new car polisher, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best car polishers on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Let's started on this video. Number 1. Autoo's Car Polisher. Dual Action Car Polishing. Auto Waxing Tool Buffer. Link on the description. Number 2. SPT, a cordless car polisher. 18 volts 5-inch cordless car polisher with 4000 megawatt battery. Link on the description. Number 3. CLOVER 1250 watt Dia 15 plus polishing machine. 15 mm yaw distance. Machine technical parameters. Number 4. Batoka S4 cordless car polisher. Link on the description. Motor 3 and 12 mm orbital. Extension pole. Four speed options. Link on the description. High quality lithium battery. Number 5. Basia's Car Polisher. Electric polishing wax tool. Super strong power. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.